good? It's your boy Chef Reef. We back with another video. But first, let me thank everybody that liked, comment, subscribe, shared that last one. I appreciate it. You guys know I love you, man. We did the pizza last week. This week we're gonna do something different. We're gonna do a little chicken bacon ranch dip. That's something that you can do pre-gaming, before the games, whatever. Take it tailgating, whatever you want to do. Make sure you let me know what your team is. You guys know I lost it last week. My Seahawks got eliminated, but we're gonna come back bigger and better next year. All right. Make sure you guys go check me out on Instagram at ChefReef_cooking, no G, and keep following the YouTube, man. We're gonna start putting up some shorts. We're gonna start doing some more interviews on this platform and everything. So make sure you just keep paying attention to that. Before we get into this, you know we gotta take a drink. We're gonna do that and we're gonna get into this thing. All right, so we got this pan right here. We put a little bit of oil in it. We got our chicken. We're just gonna grill up our chicken real quick. And then on this side, we're gonna put a little bit of bacon in there and we're gonna get that all crisped up, nice looking good. So let's throw this in here. And we're not gonna season this up too crazy. All I'm gonna do is use some all-purpose seasoning. I'm not going too crazy because I'm gonna end up chopping this up. So I'll let it cook in there with a little bit of this. And then whenever I chop it up to go into the bowl, we'll put a little bit more seasoning on it. Now, let's get our bacon. We're gonna take our nice cut up bacon, cubed up, and we're gonna throw it right in there. I'm missing my pan, but it's okay. Alright. Now, let your bacon get crisped up to whatever you like, and you're gonna cook this up and you're gonna cube it up. Alright? So we'll come back whenever I get done doing that. Alright, so y'all, I got my chicken done. We chopped that all up. It's tasting good, smelling good. And then you're probably wondering why I got onions and tomatoes sitting here. What I'm gonna do with these is I'm gonna take these and saute them in some of that rendered down bacon fat. And that's gonna go into our dip also. It's gonna give it a little bit more texture and it's gonna give it a little bit more depth because those onions are gonna come through and those tomatoes are gonna come through. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop these in that pan, get them sauteed up nice, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna put into the pan before we throw it in the oven, all right? Okay, so we got our onions and tomatoes all sauteed up. What we're gonna do, throw into this pan is 1 Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm gonna put that right there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take our bacon, nice and crispy, sprinkle that over top of there. And now our ranch is gonna go, our chicken is gonna go in there. Okay. We got our chicken, not our ranch. Okay. And then we're gonna take our sauteed onions and tomatoes, throw those in there. Get all that out. Make sure it's all in there. Okay. Gonna take our ranch seasoning packet, throw that up in there. And remember guys, this is something that I came up with. If you want to add a little something else in there to make it your own, be glad to do it. That's the best thing about cooking, is it is something that you can change. You can do whatever you want with it. Now we got some ranch that we're gonna go over top of it with too. Just give it a little bit more moisture in there. All right. And I got some 3 cheese crumbles. We're gonna put a nice dosing of those in there, because who doesn't like it cheesy? Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna cover this up and I'm gonna throw it in the oven at 350, and we'll mix it up every once in a while until everything is broken down and it is a nice dip. and we'll take it out and taste it, all right? All right, you guys, it's out. It's ready to eat. But first, let me tell you this. I went to go stir it. It wasn't how I wanted it to be, so I actually took another Philadelphia cream cheese, put it in there. So that makes 2 Philadelphia cream cheeses that we put in there, all right? Just want to let you guys know that. So we threw it in the oven, 350. It was probably in there for about 25, 30 minutes. Everything melted down. It's looking good. Nice little dip. It looks like a pale version of your buffalo chicken dip, but it smells great, and I can't wait to taste it. If you look there, let that camera focus. That's us. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eat it with a tortilla chip. We're gonna see what this thing's tasting like, all right? So I got a little bit of the chicken. I got some of the onion and the tomato on there. Smells great. You can smell that ranch in there. But I'll tell you what, that onion and the tomato, you can smell that in there. It's giving it a nice fragrance. So let's go with it. Okay. Okay. That's good. It's got some good flavors in it. It's not like super bold like the buffalo chicken dip, but it's good. You got some nice ranch taste in it. If you like chicken, bacon, ranch, anything, man, this is it. This is it. I'm gonna hit it one more time. You know what I mean? That thing's tasting real good, man. And it's quick, easy, and you can eat it with chips. So this is nice for like tailgates or whatever before the game. Just watching, hanging out with the friends, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is fire. That is fire. Y'all gotta try this one, man. I'm trying to hook you guys up with a lot of stuff that you guys can do for all the finger looking good. But I'm trying to hook you guys up with stuff that you guys can do for the football games, basketball games, whatever you're watching. I'm gonna have to try this one out. Give it to everybody else, see what they're thinking about it. But I like it, man. You guys try it out. Let me know what you think. But Chef Reeves out. I appreciate you guys for watching this video, man.